Hi everyone, this is Professor Tannenbaum. I just wanted to give you a little bit of information today on how to use the college library databases, because this is something that you're going to need to be able to do for your journal article summary assignment. And remember, the first part of that is due later this week. Now, in order to get to the college library databases, you're first going to need to go to the college library website. You can see up here it's www.aacc.edu/library. And from there you're going to click on the link that says Library Databases. Now my computer is kind of slow, so instead of clicking the link, I've actually preloaded. So let's just pretend I clicked here and it would lead me to this page over here. I'm accessing this from on campus, so I would go directly to this page. If you access the internet from off campus, before you get to this page, you would get a screen prompting you to enter the barcode number from your college library card. So if you don't yet have a college library card, please make sure that you get one as soon as you can. For this particular assignment, all of the articles that you're going to be using are in the PsychArticles database. So I'm going to just scroll down here to the P's, and I'm going to click on the PsychArticles database. And when I do that, it's going to bring me to this basic search screen over here. PsychArticles has a lot of options. For this assignment, you're not going to need to worry about them. Now we do need something to search for, so I'm going to switch screens here for a minute. And this is an article that I'm going to search for. It's not one of the ones that is a choice for your paper, but it's a good example. Now, for whatever reason, you'd think you would search by the title of the article, but for some reason that doesn't always work in PsychArticles. Your best bet really is to search by the author's names. And this article has 5 authors. Usually you can search for only 2 or 3 and you'll be totally fine, especially if the names are unusual, which they are here. So I'm just going to search for those first 2 names, Horakowitz and Barron. So if I go back to my search screen, and I can search for those names. And you'll see you don't need to worry about capitalization, no keywords, just type the name separated by a space and then click search. And these guys have written a few articles together, so it turns out that the article we want is not actually the first one in the list. And that's important because the last thing you want to do is write your whole paper and then find out you used the wrong article. So make sure that the title matches up, which it does. Now, if you click on the title of the article, it's going to bring you to another screen that's going to look like this, where you have a lot of publication information, and then you have the article below it. Don't print from this screen. If you do, it's going to cut off the right third of every page, and you'll see all the citations get underlined, and it gets really hard to read. The only reason this screen is useful is for the abstract. The abstract is a 1-paragraph summary of the entire article, and that's useful just if you're trying to decide, is this the article that you want to use. But once you've figured out which article you want, before you print, you need to go back to the top of the page, and you're going to click where it says PDF full text. Trust me when I say you will be much happier if you read your article from the PDF and you print from there. And you do need to print. If you try and read it on screen, you're going to drive yourself crazy. Print it so you can write on it or highlight it or whatever. So that's it. That's how to use this database. If you do still have any questions, don't forget you can always either email me or call me, or you can use the Ask the Instructor discussion forum. But otherwise, good luck with the assignment, and I hope you all have a great day.